Rachel from Slipstick. Our new Gorilla Outdoor Range is weatherproof and the perfect way to slide furniture and protect your deck or patio. These are our threaded dome glides. These protectors come in 4 different thread sizes, 6 and 8 millimeters and 1/4 and 5/16 of an inch. The tough, hard-wearing nylon glide slides easily and has a flat base to reduce pressure points and can be installed on an angle. Is your outdoor furniture missing threaded feet, or are they just worn out? The Gorilla Outdoor Nylon glides install in seconds and are super heavy duty. Simply unscrew the existing foot and screw in the new glide. All Slipstick Gorilla Outdoor products are backed by our 1-year warranty.